Good morning. Working on the Bronco. Cool stuff is happening now. Got the heads opened up. If anybody knows what I'm dealing with, it'd be greatly appreciated to let me know. I'm welding guides into my heads.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I heard that. I wish I didn't hear that, but I just heard that.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
It's kind of crazy. Anywho, here it is. So I went and got some roller tips. They're all lashed and tightened, but there's nothing to keep them from going side to side. Oh yeah, there's my good welds. So we are trying to tack on both sides of every one of these to keep the lifters from, or the rollers from going back and forth. So getting crazy, but this will take a little while and then we'll get back to it.
He was your friend, he wouldn't have done it. Seriously. You know what though, I can see this thing's slathered in oil. Let's clean this up.
It is?
Yes.
Oh God.
Maybe
Weird.
not. I don't know. Alright, you're right.
It's fine. I was gonna say, I cleaned the whole fucking thing before I started this.
Alright.
Ready? Yep.